You already know the Embraer Phenom 300 series. For over a decade, it has completely, utterly dominated the light jet market. It is the aircraft of choice for fractional ownership giants, Fortune 500 executives, and elite owner-operators. A standard factory-fresh Phenom 300 commands a price tag of roughly $11 million. It is a masterpiece of aviation engineering right out of the box. But today, we aren't looking at a standard jet. We're stepping onto a highly bespoke, meticulously customized aircraft that pushes the final delivery invoice to a staggering $13.7 million. So what exactly compels a buyer to drop nearly $3 million in optional upgrades on an already perfect airplane? Welcome back to LuxVersus. Today, we're taking you behind the closed hangar doors to explore a one-of-a-kind, fully customized Embraer Phenom 300. We will break down every bespoke detail, every expensive modification, and the hidden costs that transform a best-selling private jet into a personalized flying fortress. Buckle up because the world of entry-level luxury is about to get a serious reality check. Step through the air stair door, and the immediate sensation is completely different from a standard Phenom. The bulk of that $13.7 million price tag becomes instantly justified the second you sit down. This specific aircraft was commissioned with a heavily customized version of Embraer's award-winning Bossa Nova interior, an option originally reserved for their larger $20 million Praetor jets. The standard seats have been replaced with custom-stitched, dual-tone premium leather, featuring the intricate Ipanema sew pattern. It's a painstaking detail inspired by the sidewalks of Rio de Janeiro. Every piece of standard wood veneer has been swapped for high-gloss, exposed weave carbon fiber, accented by piano black finishes and custom rose gold plating on the metal fixtures. But luxury isn't just what you see, it's what you hear. Or rather, what you don't. The owner opted for the advanced acoustic insulation package, adding specialized dampening materials throughout the fuselage. It adds a slight weight penalty, but the result is a cabin that hovers at an astonishingly quiet 70 decibels at cruise. It is a sanctuary of silence, making it feel less like a light jet and more like a heavy cabin global cruiser. Beneath the bespoke paint job lies the heart of a pure athlete. The customized Phenom 300 doesn't just look fast, it backs up the aggression with sheer, undeniable performance. Power is generated by two upgraded Pratt & Whitney Canada PW535E1 turbofan engines. Each of these power plants produces a massive 3,478 pounds of thrust. But here's the secret, they are incredibly efficient. Embraer didn't just build a fast plane, they built a smart one. These engines propel the aircraft to a maximum cruise speed of 538 miles per hour, or Mach 0.80. To put that in perspective, you are flying faster than commercial airliners and faster than any other single-pilot certified jet on the market. The thrust-to-weight ratio allows this customized bird to climb straight to 45,000 feet, its maximum service ceiling, in just 24 minutes. Up there, you're slicing through the thin air high above turbulent weather systems and commercial traffic routes. The engines on this specific $13.7 million build are also enrolled in the highest tier of Pratt & Whitney's Eagle Service Plan, a prepaid, fully comprehensive maintenance program that guarantees zero surprise overhaul costs for the owner. It is performance paired with absolute financial peace of mind. A beautiful jet is useless if it can't complete the mission. Range is the ultimate luxury, and this customized Phenom 300 delivers 2,010 nautical miles of absolute freedom. But what does that number actually mean in the real world? For a US-based owner, it changes the entire map. It means you can load up 4 passengers in New York and touch down in Las Vegas without ever thinking about a fuel stop. It means launching from Miami and arriving seamlessly into the high-altitude, challenging terrain of Aspen, Colorado. This aircraft thrives on those high, hot, and complex runway operations. It requires less than 3,200 feet of runway to take off at maximum weight, and an astonishingly short 2,200 feet to land safely. This specific aircraft is equipped with customized carbon brakes and advanced anti-skid systems, allowing the pilot to access tiny, remote municipal airports that larger Gulfstreams or Bombardiers can only fly over. You aren't just buying speed, you are buying time. You bypass the congested international hubs entirely, landing mere minutes away from your final destination, whether that is a private ski lodge in the Rockies or a board meeting in Silicon Valley. If the cabin is a luxury penthouse, the cockpit is a state-of-the-art command center. This aircraft features the Garmin Prodigy Touch flight deck, built upon the elite G3000 architecture. It is dominated by 3 massive 14.1-inch high-definition displays and 2 centralized touchscreen controllers. But the owner of this $13.7 million jet spared no expense on avionics upgrades. This jet is equipped with predictive wind shear detection, 3D synthetic vision, and a highly advanced weather radar system that can detect turbulence cells hundreds of miles ahead. The true crown jewel, however, is Embraer's proprietary Runway Overrun Awareness and Alerting System, or ROAAS. It is a predictive safety net that constantly calculates the aircraft's weight, approach speed, and runway conditions. If the computer determines the plane cannot stop safely, it issues a visual and auditory command to abort the landing. It is the kind of technology usually reserved for massive commercial airliners, packed into a jet that can be flown by just one person. Because this aircraft is single-pilot certified, the owner can sit in the left seat and command the skies themselves, or hire a single captain, radically shifting the operational dynamic of the aircraft. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. And on the tarmac, this customized Phenom 300 is an absolute showstopper. The standard Embraer factory white has been entirely abandoned. Instead, this jet features a custom, multi-stage metallic paint process that took an extra 4 weeks to apply. It is a deep, liquid titanium gray that transitions to a pearlescent midnight blue, depending on how the sunlight hits the fuselage, accented by hand-painted, razor-thin crimson striping. But the exterior design isn't just about vanity, it is highly functional. The low-swept wings and aggressive, sharply angled winglets are designed to completely minimize drag while providing immense stability at high altitudes. The fuselage itself features a unique oval cross-section, which is the exact engineering secret that gives the Phenom its class-leading interior headroom. Even the fueling ports and landing gear doors are engineered to sit perfectly flush, eliminating any aerodynamic disruption. When this jet pulls up to the FBO, it doesn't shout for attention. It doesn't need to. The sleek, menacing, and purposeful profile communicates absolute authority. In today's hyper-connected world, a billionaire's time is their most valuable asset. Going off the grid for a 3-hour flight is simply not an option. That is why a massive chunk of this jet's customization budget went directly into its digital nervous system. The standard air-to-ground Wi-Fi has been completely bypassed. Instead, this $13.7 million build features the top-tier Gogo Avance L5 system, paired with a custom-installed Ka-band satellite receiver housed in a low-profile radome on the tail. What does that mean for the passengers? It means true, uninterrupted, high-speed internet at 45,000 feet. You can stream 4K video, host secure, lag-free Zoom conferences, and actively day trade on multiple devices simultaneously, completely untethered from ground towers. The cabin management system, dubbed Nice HD by Lufthansa Technik, is controlled entirely through hidden pop-up touchscreens at each seat, or directly from the owner's smartphone. With a single swipe, you can dim the electrochromatic window shades, drop the cabin temperature, and route your favorite playlist through the hidden high-fidelity surround sound system integrated directly into the cabin bulkheads. Luxury is often defined by the absence of inconvenience, and nowhere is this more apparent than in how this customized Phenom handles the practicalities of travel. Light jets are notoriously cramped when it comes to luggage, but the Phenom 300 destroys that stereotype. It offers a staggering 85 cubic feet of total baggage space. The main external compartment is cavernous. It easily swallows heavy, oversized hard cases, multiple sets of professional golf clubs, and oversized snowboards for a winter getaway. Inside the cabin, the customization continues with a heavily modified refreshment center. Finished in that same high-gloss carbon fiber, it houses a heated liquid container, a customized crystal glassware drawer, and a specialized Nespresso machine engineered to operate perfectly at cabin altitude. Toward the rear, the lavatory has been upgraded with a solid pocket-style door for total privacy, replacing the flimsy curtains found in older light jets. The lavatory seat is belted and certified for takeoff and landing, officially serving as the 9th passenger seat if needed. Every latch, every hinge, and every storage compartment feels weighted, damped, and exceptionally solid. At the end of the day, $13.7 million is an immense amount of money for a light jet. For that price, you could easily dip into the mid-sized pre-owned market and buy a slightly older Challenger or Citation. But doing so would completely miss the point of this machine. The owner of this customized Embraer Phenom 300 didn't want a massive, depreciating flying bus. They wanted the sports car of the skies. They wanted single-pilot freedom, unrivaled ramp presence, and an interior tailored precisely to their exacting tastes, all backed by factory-new warranties and the lowest operating costs in its class. This jet represents the absolute pinnacle of what a light aircraft can be when budget is no longer a constraint. It is fast, efficient, unapologetically luxurious, and engineered to perfection. It is a testament to Embraer's vision and proof that sometimes the best things come in slightly smaller, highly customized packages. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour here at LuxVersus. If you want to see how this jet stacks up against the Honda Jet Echelon, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep looking up.